Hey guys, how you guys doing? It's your boy here, Valentin Negron, also known as the Visionary Entrepreneur, and welcome back to this 101 PLS training tutorials, folks. And in this PLS training tutorial, we will be going over on how to make a copy of an email campaign and being able to edit it and take out or add anything that you like, folks. So that's what we're going to be going over today. How to copy an email campaign that you have in your back office, make it your own, and make it editable. Oh man, you'll be able to edit it, okay? Now, on the normal basis, if you click on a campaign in your back office that you already have, whether it's from the system Power Lead itself or from a share code, you cannot edit. You cannot edit it. So you're just gonna, use it as is. Well, why would some people want to do this? Several reasons, folks. Some people like to brand themselves instead of branding their leaders that they got their share codes from. A lot of these share codes that you get from your leaders include a Facebook group that sends direct, if they click on it, it sends them directly to their Facebook group page. All right? I'm not saying this is a total bad thing, but in the beginning it might be, in my opinion. Everybody has their opinion, okay? Now, what I like to do is I like to put my group, my Facebook group there. So I replace their Facebook group with mine. Once my referral is in good communication with me, he joined the business under me, and he knows that I'm there to help, and I've shown him the ropes. Then later on, I could add him to that group just so he could get some moral support or ask a question if I'm not around, or whichever the case may be. But anyways, let's get right to it, folks. And also, because you want to put images of yourself in these email campaigns, they don't have images. You want to put an image of yourself from time to time. Not every single email has to have an image, but if you have an email campaign with 15 emails, it's good if you have at least stay Brooklyn. It's good if you have at least 3 to 4 to 5 emails with your picture on it, branding yourself. Okay, folks? And also, you might want to switch a few things and put your name, put a little bit of your story in it, whatever the case might be. But anyways, let's get right to it. So, you will go here to email, all right? You will go to view and edit campaigns. Okay? You see, for instance, you see this 24/7 viral cash autoresponders, 19 emails by Jeff Garner. Okay? You can't do nothing. You see, you can only view it. You can only view it, folks. I can't click on it. I can't change anything on it. Everything's already set up. It already has certain codes in it. Sends them to certain landing pages, etc., or whatever the case is. It already has your name, your phone number, blah, 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 all this good stuff in it. But it doesn't really brand yourself, or it doesn't promote your Facebook page or whatever the case is, all right? That's just example number one. Let's go to example number two, all right? Let's go over here to Ari Marakabi's Maximum Money Formula. Many of you guys in my team will have this in your back office. Many of you don't. If you haven't gotten the share codes, get back to your sponsor or get back with me, okay? And let's click on this here real quick, all right? And let's go take a view at it, all right? Let's take a view of this. Now, over here, let me see. You see? Look at this, folks. You can find our Facebook group here. And they have their Facebook group. If I click on it, it's going to take me to their Facebook group. Maybe it won't do it now because it's just whatever the case is, but and if you click on the email campaign, it's going to take you to their Facebook group, okay? And what's wrong with this is, again, I'm going to say it again, it's just my opinion. I don't like sending them directly to one of the top recruiting or one of the top leaders pages, group pages, because a lot of people don't understand about being loyal to your sponsor. A lot of people that are new into the business, they don't understand this concept that if you have a good sponsor, you need to stick with him. If he's already in the and following the marketing plan. He's already know what to do, and he's doing it well, and he's having success. Just follow your sponsor and learn from him and listen to him. But once they go into these Facebook groups and they see all these other leaders making such and such money and showing their results, they might end up joining the business under them. Okay, I'm not saying that they're there to steal your members. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that they could, accidentally end up joining under them, or in purpose, your referral might be interested in joining someone else's team, and there you go. You just lost a referral. Okay, so what do we want to do? Okay, what we want to do is we want to come here and say, click here to make a copy for myself. You see this? It'll say it. Click here to make a copy for myself, folks. So that's exactly what you want to do. You want to make a copy for yourself so you can edit this email. Right now, you don't have the option to edit. Once you make a copy of it, and you have these exact same email campaign, you have an extra button here. Will say edit, and you can click on it. All right, or not even edit. It'll say view. When you click view, you can actually edit the email. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Make a copy. Name this name of the copy. So we're going to name this one video test, okay? Normally, you could keep the same name and just add at the end by me, or by your name, by Mary, by Val, by John. So like that, you know that this is Ari Marikabi's Maximum Formula email campaign that you got from a share code, but it's your version of it because you already copied it and did a couple of changes on it. Anyways, let's move on. So for video purposes, we're going to name this one Test by Me, Ari Maximum. Okay. Don't quote me on my spelling here, guys. I'm just trying to do this quick. All right. Now, you see how you got you got the copy now. You see how it says view and edit? Now you can actually add more emails to this campaign. You see this campaign only has 15 emails. Okay? Remember, day 0 is the first day that they opt in, guys. So don't get confused by that. You see this 14 in total over here, but in reality it's 15 because 0 goes on for day 1. And then you see this number 1 goes out in day 2. This goes out in day 3, day 4, etc. and so on, folks, okay? But now this is where the magic happens, folks, because now you have this email campaign and it's yours. You could come here, click edit. See how you got all these extra options now? Because now you can actually edit it, okay? Let me go. This one doesn't really have anything about their Facebook group page. So let me close this one. This was a bad example. This one doesn't have the Facebook group. He doesn't have it on every single one of them, but you need to check these because a lot of them do. Okay? And I will show you another example. Here it is. Okay? Now he is giving back to the average person. Okay? Facebook group. You see how this is a link to their Facebook group. It says it right here, Facebook group. Caption, see people just like you having success. Click here. The lead, when they get the email, they're not going to see all this coding right here. HTTL, URL, HTTP, whatever. All they're going to see is see people just like you having success. Click here. When they click there, it's linked to that Facebook group, guys. All right, that's how it works. Now, let me send this email out to myself. This is days delayed, day 2. Let me see. I believe this is the email. I'm going to send it to myself now, real quick, so you can see what I'm talking about, guys. Yep, this is it. All right, day 2. Excellent. So I'm going to send this email right now. Send now. See, this message has been sent to me. Okay, great. Now, I'm going to open my email here. And we're just going to wait here to get this email so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. What happens, okay, when these emails go out. Okay, when these emails go out, guys, what happens is that they will be promoting their Facebook group page. I'm not saying if that's fine with you, you go right ahead. In my opinion, I like to edit these campaigns myself. So here's the email. Just came in. Let me click on this right here. See people having success just like you. Click here. You see this? You see that the code is not showing now, like I told you it wasn't going to show. All right, it just shows click here to have success, and if you click there, it's going to open Ari Marikabi's Maximum Formula group. You see? Now, I already explained why I don't like sending them directly there. All right? Yeah, after they're in your team, after they know you very well and understand the ropes, you can add them there if you want to or whatever the case is. That's fine and dandy, but I don't. That's the reason I make a copy of these emails. So what can I do to change that? You could go back here, you could edit it, you could change anything on the pic, you could change anything. Dear friend, for any reason you're not able to complete your review on Ari Marikabi's formula, you could go right ahead and change the name right here. And you could put, I don't know, this is for purposes here, you could put whatever name you are, you know. You could be like, oh, this is Jackie De Silva. You, if for whatever reason you didn't complete the My Money Maximum Formula, whatever the case, blah 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 blah. So you can actually, you got power to do anything you want here, folks. Okay, my formula. This right here you don't want to change. This right here you don't want to change because that's going to send them right back to the funnel, which is going to convert into a sale for you, obviously. So you don't want to change that. This is the one that you want to change, the one that says Facebook group page, in my opinion. Okay, so what do? You go to your Facebook private group page, if you have one. If you don't have one, I suggest you create one. And if you haven't created one, send them to your personal profile if you don't mind getting new connections and new friends on there. That's fine with me, or if it's up to fine, it's up to you. If it's fine with you, it's fine with me. I don't care. All right, it's all your options. It's all about, this video is all about adding new options to your portfolio. So you're gonna grab this link right here, right click on it, copy, go back to your PLS. All right, we want to do something different here. We want to add, click here to see everyone on my team having success, or whatever, or regular folks like you having success. Okay, and then you're gonna highlight this. Now guys, this is not exactly the way you do it. You could do it more creative or whatever, guys. I'm just doing this pretty quick because time is of an essence. So you're gonna click here, boom, to the targeted link. You're gonna put your Facebook page here. Then you click away from it. Don't worry about the HTTP. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. All right, this is live TV. Anything can happen. Sneezes, everything, coughs, whatever. All right, you see how it automatically took the HTTP out? Don't worry about it. Now, what you do want to do is hit target here and make sure that it's open on a new window. Open new window. That means that it won't close that window they're on. Hit OK. That's it. You're done. So now you save this email. But let's do something even more creative. You can also add your picture. I have my pictures in here in file. Okay, hold on. Let me move the cursor down here first. Let me move my cursor down here. Now that my cursor's down here, let me add a picture to personalize this so they can see who the hell I am and they can see I'm a real person, folks. So you will hit browse and browse. If you haven't uploaded your photos up, you do it right here, folks. Upload right here. Upload. You upload one by one for all the businesses that you're doing. I got several here for my TLC business, my Capricorn cryptocurrency business, for Jeunesse, for all my other businesses that I was doing, or whatever the case is. So I want to brand myself and promote myself. I'm going to share this beautiful picture here with me and my wife. The picture is going to come out super large. You want to come here and edit the size so you can make it like a 2 or 300 if you wish. Boom, I think that's a perfect size right there. And now the email will have my picture on it. How nice is that, folks? That's how simple it is. And actually, you could highlight that picture, boom, and you could highlight it, go over here, and actually add a link to that picture. So if they click on your picture, it goes to a link. Folks, this is powerful. That's how simple it is. Every time that you create a new different, you do any changes, you scroll up to the top, and you always hit Save Changes, folks. That simple. It's that simple, folks. Now, if you go back to this email, you will see that everything is saved now. You can send it to yourself to test it out. Okay, you scroll down, and you're going to see that my page is there, my team, my Facebook group page is there, my picture is there. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this lesson here with 101 PLS training tutorials with your boy here, Valentin Negron, also known as a Visionary Entrepreneur. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, for more informational videos. See you in the next one. Bye.